welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. As always, I'm happy you've joined me in the no bra zone. I got some new paints and I'm really excited about trying them. Michael's apparently stocked up with like 500 different varieties of all these new paints, so I went and I explored with my handy dandy coupons in hand because they were a little bit expensive. So I'm going to talk about these paints for a bit and then we're going to experiment with them. I think I'm going to do a multi-ring pour here, but I haven't quite decided yet. So let's talk about our paints. Our base coat today is going to be a mix of Artist Loft White with satin enamel white. And I've probably got about 3 parts of this to 1 part of that with my pouring medium, which today is a little bit different. I'm out of GAC 800, so my pouring medium is 50% Floetrol and 50% Liquitex pouring medium. And I'm not sure if it's the paints or the pouring medium, but these guys are pretty thin. They almost remind me of my golden fluid paints. So hopefully this will all work out. And I had to add just a tad of water to my satin enamel mix right here in black because that paint is much thicker than these paints. So Artist Loft White with a satin enamel mix as our base. And our colors today are going to be Artist Loft Black mixed with a little bit of the satin enamel, and that's in this cup right here. This color right here is kind of interesting when you stir it. I don't know if you can see it, but on the side of the cup it looks rosy colored, but down in the cup it has more of a copper look to it. So I'm excited to see what this guy does. These are the new Folk Art Treasure Gold. This color is called Fire Opal. This yummy color right here, starting to get my green on, guys. I find that it plays pretty well with other colors, and I was allergic to green, just allergic to it. This is the Folk Art Treasure Gold, Green Gold, or Vert. And I will post a picture of all of these paints in this video. This pretty color, I'm excited about these. See how fluid they are? This pretty color is Folk Art Treasure Gold, Blue Quartz. And this last color right here is Treasure Gold Aquamarine. You can never go wrong with aquamarine. Let's take a look at this guy. Nice and pretty. So I am going to go ahead and prepare my canvas, prepare my cups, and then we're going to go ahead and get busy. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I got my shorts on today. It's in the 80s here in my happy place, and I worked my butt off yesterday in our yard, didn't get any painting done. So today is, I'm taking an hour off from spreading mulch and planting flowers to get some happiness going on here on my canvas. Really glad you guys joined me. Let's get busy.